fertility is stagnant, stuck in the clay. Low income cycles eating the day. Low income cycles eating the day. It's a feedback loop, a ghost of machine, keeping the balance perpetually lean. Structural shifts in the global tectonic. Dependency on the primary is less than economic. Freebie singer notes the terms of the trade as the manufacturer gain what the raw have made. As the manufacturer gain what the raw have made. A price volatility that shakes the foundation, stunting the growth of a commodity nation. L is for low savings, I for insufficient capital, P for predicted down, a trap that is inevitable. I for investment is gone, the cycle is vicious. And for narrow income streams, the cycle is malicious. The cycle is malicious. Gray matter moves on a faster track, while the home economy feels the crack. Brain drain hollows out the hospital wing, and the schools lose the wisdom that the teachers bring. Low human capital, the skill pool is dry, watching the electoral giants wave goodbye. Watching intellectual giants wave goodbye. Poor infrastructure blocks the road to the market. Heavy debt payments, where do you park it? Geography matters when the climate is rough. Demographics shifting, never enough. These aren't just details, they're tectonic plates, shaping the destiny and sealing the fates. Now remember, scholars distinguish the cause from the cure. Composite indicators for a vision that's pure. Beyond the GDP, see the life in the street. The revision is done, now go that top and sing.